Lira and the Starbird. Once upon a time, in a quiet green valley, there lived a little girl named Lira. She was kind, but she often felt lonely. Every night she looked at the sky and whispered, I wish I had a friend. The night song one evening as the moon rose. Lira heard a soft sound. It wasn't the wind and it was not the river. It was a song, clear and bright. She followed the song and found a small bird sitting on a rock. The bird's feet shone like silver stars. Hello, said the bird, I'm the starbird. Why are you sad? I have no friend, Lira said softly. The bird smiled. Then I will be your friend. The gift of light. From that night on, the starbird visited Lira. They sang together under the stars. Lira laughed, and her heart was full of joy. One cold night, the bird said, I must give you a gift. It touched Lira's hand with its wings. Now, when you are lonely, a little star will shine in your palm. The forever friend, Lira looked at her hands and saw a tiny star glowing. She felt warm and safe, even when the bird flew back to the sky. Lira was never alone again. The star in her palm always reminded her true friends are never far.